Hey everybody, just got a new uke. This is a Tahitian ukulele made by Honu, if I'm saying that right. Got it from ukuleleles.com. It's shaped like a turtle, Honu. So I thought I would do a sound sample. This is an 8-string, doubled up, G, C, E, A. This is fishing line, all the same gauge. What else can I say about this without doing a full-blown review of the uke? It's gorgeous, it's fun. I just got it today. It's staying in tune really well. I wasn't sure about the fishing line, but it's great. So let's check out how it sounds. It's very bright and very distinctive. It rings out. I have fluorocarbon strings on some of my other ukes, Nyla gut. They sound, compared to this, very subdued. So let's listen. It's fun. Yeah, I mean, hear for yourself. I don't think I need to talk over it. So that's it. This is a Tahitian ukulele made by Honu, purchased through ukuleleles.com. They're out of Hawaii. They'll ship to the mainland United States for free. That's a big selling point. This particular ukulele went for about $375 US. I don't know their shipping policy for shipping overseas. If you're in Australia or the UK or what have you, I can't speak to that. These guys were really responsive over at Ukuleles. They answered all my questions via email. They took my phone calls. I annoyed them. No, I'm kidding. They were wonderful to deal with. Answered all because I had a lot of questions about fishing line and all this whole different genre of uke that I've never I knew nothing about. And I took the plunge on this without even hearing a sound sample, and I'm glad I did. It's a lot of fun. So that's it.